Welcome to Chartink. In this video, we will understand math functions count and CountStreak. These functions help you check how many times a condition was true within a given number of candles and whether those occurrences were random or continuous. Let's start with the count function. The count function is used to measure how many times a specific condition occurred within a fixed number of candles. Let's start with an example. This example is, in the last 10 candles, the stock should have 3 or more green candles. Now let's break this down step by step. In this scan, the count is placed on the left hand side of the comparison operator. Inside the count function, we set the period as 10, which means Chartink will look back at last 10 candles. We add the condition that we want to count. Now for a green candle, the condition is close greater than open. This condition is written inside the function. Outside the count function, we choose a comparison operator such as greater than, less than, or equal to. On the right hand side, we enter the value 3. If we select greater than or equal to 3, it means out of the last 10 candles, the green candle condition should be true 3 or more times. So it will show in the last 10 candles at least 3 candles should be green. If you want exactly 3 green candles, simply change the comparison operator equal to 3. This gives you precise control over how many times the condition must occur. Now let's move to CountStreak. As the name suggests, CountStreak is used to find a continuous streak of condition. The key difference is count checks how many times a condition occurred even if the candles are scattered. CountStreak checks whether the condition occurred continuously without a break. Now our requirement is there should be a continuous streak of 3 green candles within the last 10 candles. The structure is similar to count with one important change. First, set the period as 10. So Chartink looks at the last 10 candles. Now inside the count, instead of writing a normal condition, select CountStreak. Inside the CountStreak, add the condition close greater than open. Now set the streak length as 3. Outside the count, set the comparison operator as greater than or equal to 1. This operator ensures at least one streak of 3 continuous green candles exists within the last 10 candles. After this, run the scan and check whether there is a continuous sequence of green candles and whether that streak appears within the last 10 candles. Please note that the count and CountStreak always follow the parent timeframe. That means if the scan is set to daily, both count and CountStreak will work only on daily candles. Any different time frame set inside the count function will be ignored. So that's how count and CountStreak work in Chartink. Count helps you measure frequency and CountStreak helps you measure frequency and continuity. Thank you.